I'm going to be reviewing this kit from Dollar Shave Club. If you guys haven't heard of Dollar Shave Club has been around for quite some time, and most of the stuff that you order is for shaving purposes, and you do it online as well. They've been around, a really good company, but what I'm going to be reviewing specifically is a kit that I got from a vending machine in the mall. I live in the New York State, and then go Long Island area. So I got theirs, I don't know if they have it in other malls, but it's like a big vending machine, and when you go over there, for all of you guys who are a little skeptical about ordering things online and putting your information and everything, you can go to one of these vending stores, I guess. So you go into the vending store and then you just put your credit card, buy the item, and then bam, you get it, you try it, and if you like it and you want to try it online, you're welcome to do so. I am not getting paid anything from this review. I just wanted to share with you guys my personal opinion. If you like this video, definitely subscribe. I will be putting more videos in the future for other reviews for everything else. So on that note, here we go. So this is the little kit you get, right? So like I said, you go to a vending machine. It's a big vending machine, and once you put your information, not your information that you will put online, but the information like which kit you want, you select the kit, and then you just put the card and you pay it, and then boom, comes out the vending machine and you get this. This kit has a few things that I want to show you guys. So it comes with 3 creams, and I'm gonna be reviewing. Let me put this down. 3 creams. And I will be reviewing them individually, so you guys understand what the hell I'm trying to. Here we go. So the first is the prep scrub, right? This is the 3 that the kit comes with. So the first is the prep scrub. The prep scrub is what you throw on to basically prep for shaving. So what this helps with, it's smooth out your beard. For guys that have like big beard like me, I just have little patches, so I get hair like just distortion or whatever. But for you guys who have big beards, this definitely is a saver, because it preps like your beard for any razor bumps or like irritation on the skin. So it's really good to start, and this is the first thing you start with. The second thing you start with is Shea Butter. Now I used a bunch of gels, shave creams and everything, and this is by far the best I ever used. Again, I'm not getting paid for reviewing this, but I have to say, hands down, this is one of the best. This is the Shea Butter. And all of these items, like I mentioned, guys, you can get online if you want to get online, and you have that vending machine that I mentioned earlier that is accessible to you. And you can get a kit, and the kit online is a little bit bigger than this. It's kind of like a sample for you guys to try it out. But after the prep scrub, you throw this, and it just put it everywhere, and then you're ready to shave. And of course, after you do all the shaving, you're good to go, cleaned up, you throw in the post-shave dew. This is also pretty much like an aftershave, and once you throw it on, it helps with the irritation and anything, and it clears the skin. It feels really, really good. It's probably, with these items, are probably the best shave I ever got in. And I used a couple of shavers, a few gels, a few machines, but this is the best. Of course, we can't forget the most important thing, which is, took it out of the plastic, you guys can see. This is the shaver. I mean the razor, I'm sorry. Okay, so this is the razor, this is the handle, you guys can see it there. And it looks pretty sturdy. It has a nice weight to it, has a nice feel to it. It's just, you know, firm enough. So, really good. And also, can't forget the blades, right? So, we got the blades, 4 blades right there. Okay, and there's a little thing, yes, right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. So, like I said, all of this you can order online. I will put the link in the description if you guys, I'm sorry, want to check it out. But this kit I got from a vending machine from Dollar Shave Club. So you guys are welcome to try it out. It's, like I said, hands down the best shave I ever got in. So you guys definitely check it out. I'll put the information on the link below, and if you like this video, please subscribe, and I will be putting more videos for review in the future. So subscribe, click the little bell for notifications. And thank you guys for watching. Peace.